Bottle gourd split pigeon pea stew, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the vegetarian recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the pea recipes and one of the most unique of the bottle gourd recipes and one of the most different of the gourd recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the soup recipes and one of the most unique of the tur dal recipes. Today we are going to make bottle gourd split pigeon pea stew. The ingredients are 100 grams of split pigeon pea soaked in water for half an hour, 1 spoon of fennel seeds, half a spoon of fenugreek seeds, 1 onion cut into pieces, 25 grams of ginger, 25 grams of garlic, 1 tomato cut into pieces, 2 sprigs of curry leaves, 1 green chili cut into 2, and 150 grams of bottle gourd peeled and cut into pieces. Heat the pan and pour in 10 ml of oil. Let the oil get heated. Put in the onion pieces. Salt the onion pieces thoroughly. Now put in the fenugreek seed and the fennel seed. And let them get heated. Salt. seeds out of the fenugreek seeds. Now put in the ginger nearby. Keep on sorting. Now put in the tomato pieces and the green chili and few of the curry leaves. Put in salt to taste. Salt and mix the tomato with the salt. Keep on sauteing. Put in the buttermilk. Start the buttermilk with the rest of the mixture. Put in the rest of the salt. Mix. Thoroughly sort and mix. Now put in the split pigeon pea or tur dal. Mix thoroughly. Thoroughly mix. Now pour in 250 ml of water. Mix and let the mixture cook for 15 minutes in the pressure cooker. Now put in 2 or 3 curry leaves. Mix and let this mixture cook for 1 minute and take off the flame and serve. Now the bottle gourd split pigeon pea stew is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final bottle gourd split pigeon pea stew. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the vegetarian recipes and one of the most unique of the bottle gourd recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the pea recipes and one of the most unique of the split pigeon pea recipes and one of the most delicious of the stew recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the tur dal recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.